So we left Joshua Tree earlier today, and we were on our way to Slab City, and then we decided to stop at Salton Beach, or this area is Bombay Beach, and there were a lot of vans parked here, so we decided to stay and camp for a night and explore a little bit. What an interesting sculpture. Whoa. So there's all these like random art structures everywhere, and it's so cool. I love it. Hang on, let me see if I can. Oh, I can. I'm in the mirror. Hey guys. So Chantal's trying to get some footage over there, but apparently Joey was being just a little bit loud. So we are temporarily dog sitting. Who's a cutie pie, Joey? Hi, Tyson. That structure back there somewhere, doesn't it kind of look like one of those Connect Lego things from when we were kids? At least that's what it reminds me of. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Tyson, come here. Come here. It looks like this right here is the porch. And when you walk on the other side of it, it says, "See the devastation." Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, some pretty rocks in there. So I just found out that there are a lot of toxins in the dust here, and we were discussing staying for a couple days because there's a lot of space. It felt nice. We were just gonna check it out, and then after finding out that there are toxins in the dust, we decide that it's just gonna be for tonight. What do you think, guys? Should we stay the whole week, or should we stay just for tonight?
A little toxic dust never hurt anyone. I think we should stay. We should just live here.
We should just live here.
Yeah, there's apartments, like
That's
$900.
right.
No, my
bedroom.
goodness.
We're moving
It's
in.
like a $50,000 house. But now they changed.
Do you hear that jamming?
What?
I like it.
Yeah, I do hear music. I forgot to grab my plates. What? Oh snap, I am a genius, Chantal. I am going to put QP mayo and Chick-fil-A sauce on this.
All right.
Okay, so like the genius that I am, I decided to try using Chick-fil-A and QP mayo to sauce my rice. We'll see if this turns out to be good. I don't know if you can hear it, but I guess it's just normal that like someone is blasting music and we heard a bunch of people cheering and I think someone's like throwing a party right now. It feels like Schoolie Palooza in this like random, beachside spot. I originally was not gonna go. Sorry, you can't see me. That's all right. I originally was just gonna stay in the van because I was just kind of tired for the night, right? But then I get a text from Chantel telling me to hurry over because it's awesome. So I'm gonna go check it out for a little bit. Whoa. So guys, we decided to come explore. Remember this structure from earlier today? Well, look, it lights up. Wow. This is a really cool piece of art. You guys, so we're going back to the art installations because apparently some of them are set up with lights. So, and I think they're solar powered actually. So it looks so beautiful right now, especially because we have a full moon tonight. Plus all the little lights on, it just makes it look so much cooler.
Yes, I would like some free love, please. Is there really mail in there?
Yeah, fan mail.
What? We have to leave one. Yes. Oh.
We're now walking around to explore the area, the little town area. I don't even know if it's a town, just this little tiny...
The town of Bombay Beach.
The resort town of Bombay Beach. We're walking around and exploring because I heard rumors that there are more art installations out here as well. Hey, Joe. The chosen few. It's kind of cool. This just random room here. The random structure. Looks like a whole bunch of really cool graffiti everywhere. Tyson, where are you going? So it looks like this is just a bunch of blocks of like abandoned cars or abandoned buildings, and artists from all over, I'm sure, are just tagging the walls, and some of this artwork is so beautiful and it has a lot of like hidden meanings to it. I think this one is a trailer actually.
It's funny this had a chandelier in it.
Kind of cool.
You know? yolk.
Just a giant yolk.
Tell me that that is not creepy. Aaron's watching one of my old videos. We were talking about the kite festival that I stumbled upon last summer.
Amusing.
Yeah.
Very amusing.
Someone is setting off fireworks right now, and like Tyson was just freaking out the whole time. It was really cool to watch, but now I'm just kind of annoyed that Tyson is upset because of it. Tyson, you're gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Good boy. Oh, it's moving. Hey, we're all here enjoying our coffees. We all got mochas, and then Chantel got an oat milk latte because she's vegan. But not that that's bad. It's just that's the reason why you couldn't get a mocha.
It's true.
Yeah.
True. Yeah. Because the chocolate. Fair enough.
Yeah. We're going to the local biker bar in town because it's our friend Ralph's birthday today. This bar has a back patio. It's kind of neat. And here's the birthday boy. Hi, Ralph. Happy birthday. Are you so excited?
Oh yeah, I'm so glad to add another year onto the pile.
Hey, Jojo. Hello. Hello, Mr. Charmer. I think we're about to get a show. They're setting up over here. They're set. Okay, that's okay. False.